Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
I'm different from the rest of them. Many of them are beggars. They fall cheap for anything. So please, if you want to navigate your way to PDP, please don't use my name. You are making it look as if it is Abatobaze and Ebostone that is fighting you. How? Show a video that recently that Ebostone has mentioned your name. Show a video where I said, Tony or Mekole insult you after the election. Show the video. You want to use me like Abatobaze is the problem. Please, my popularity is giving you serious headache. My acceptance across the globe, Abatobaze is giving you serious headache. So please, you are saying APC leaders, they abandon you, nobody is asking you about the hotel. Trust me. Most of those leaders, they're not even saying you may go to do what you do. I have people in APC that said you contributed to the downfall of Izeyamu. You think Izeyamu is happy with you? All the elections, Izeyamu was just pretending. Among all the notable APC leaders in the state, you only mentioned Adams Oshiomhole. And Adams Oshiomhole is your biggest problem. You don't know. Until you sit down and realize it, you don't know. Don't be in a hurry. Tony Kabaka, don't be in a hurry. All through the time, I was the one that delayed. I was the one that pressurized you. I was the one that was always coming. I was always coming. I almost went on my knees. Don't call press. Don't call people. Don't insult governor. I beg you. You know what I do. You know. So please don't mention my name. Abatobaze, you are saying my family should want me. See, if you have your way, say you catch me one-on-one, say I lose guard myself. I know what you'll do me. Recently, about 5-6 days ago, you had a discussion with some persons now. Tony Kabaka, you had a discussion with some persons. You were telling me Abatobaze has to do anyway.
Just so my people, now well done. Now welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. How na day? I hope everybody dey okay. If everybody dey okay, then make we give thanks to God Almighty. Now so it be my people. So today we get video for that, and this video really dey interesting, and it is interesting way. And then this thing go concern a lot of people because it concern Tony Kabaka and it concern Ebostone and it concern Abatobaze. We know say these three people they get their own fans, you know what I mean, their own multitude of people we say they follow each one. So now that one, but before we start at all, make we tell una say make we remind una say this na Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. You know that channel we say we still they call YouTube studio sometimes. I mean that's what it just be. And then make una know say here we dey on Facebook, we dey on Facebook profile, we dey on Facebook page, we dey on Instagram, we dey on Twitter, and so it be. And then this place we not get favorite. Everybody now favorite. If everybody not be a favorite, we don't want to get one pick. Then no one be our favorite. You know what I mean? Everybody they related to us. Everybody now our brothers and sisters. You know what I mean? So, but if anybody not be our brother and sister, then we don't even want to have anybody as our brother and sister. I don't know whether I get me. We there on everybody's side or we not doing on anybody's side. Now, so basically, that one I will just mean. I mean, say we not the bias, we not get favorite, we not the waka go one side, we not the bang go one side. Now, just as the news be, and so it bring up, and so it be my people. So one way or the other, so as this story be, and so we want bring up. And this story they a little bit complicated at all, but a three-way story. I mean, like with your first talk, this story today it concerns Tony Kabaka, it concerns Ebostone, and it concerns Abatobaze. You know what I mean? So first and foremost, now And the first and foremost, make we know say, make we just give thanks to God Almighty. I mean, Papa God don't still lead us to another weekend again. I mean, so and then we just need to praise the Lord. And just like last week, as we talked, say, okay, Papa God go lead us from last week to the upcoming week, which we met this particular week where we done this. So and so God will still lead us from this week go next week as well. Hail and healthy, and we'll be safe, we'll be happier, and we'll be joyous, and we can't give him thanks again. That's why it be my people. So the Tony Kabaka first comment, as he come out, he come talk say make about Obaze. He come send message to about Obaze, say make about Obaze no put in name for anything we be say they do again. He may say about Obaze in the case of any, maybe about Obaze won't do anything at all. We be say he won't do any video on social media or whatever. He go they put Tony Kabaka believe say go to put in name. Now he talk and say, let me say believe it. Tell and say me not to put in name for any video or anything where they do on social media, both on social media or maybe in reality, me no or in real life, like physical being or physical, you know what I mean, physical standing or physical present. Making on the put the name in anything at all. He say they do again, that kind of thing. So he can't still talk to a Boston. He can't say a Boston whether a Boston say help a Boston. Say whether na so many things where we say I don't want to talk, but now that one the person want to take pay him upon all the help we say help him upon say raise him up and everything. Say you know what I mean. So many things. We say I go just like me gonna watch. You get me? So kind of things 50 day. I mean I'm not go just watch them. That's what just be. Not be everything. Not be every video for the bring some kind of highlights. Some will bring some highlights, some will bring small, some will not just touch them at all. Now I'm be waiting there. So about Obaze see that video, about Obaze can still do your own video. You get me? So that one I just want to remind now, tell them and say that one we say Tony Kabaka do about Obaze quick reply. Before we even say make we even do and make we push that one come out. About Obaze don't already reply. So we just decide okay, make we just compile the two videos together. Like the one we say Tony Kabaka for talk to about Obaze and Boston, then about Obaze can't see reply. So we just compile both of them together so don't go see them. You know what I mean? So that one just be my people. So as it come be now, make we just do now, make we go in as we want to hear from Tony Kabaka as he send message to about Obaze and Boston, and then about Obaze can reply Tony Kabaka, and he even talk about Obaze saying call Tony, he say call a Boston, me a Boston just reply. Many say now you only want to go reply Tony Kabaka, same me a Boston not reply Tony Kabaka, and so it just be. So my people, I like what I first talk. I know say many people, these three people they get multitude of people they follow them. That is they get their own huge fan base. We be say that they follow. So now go just know how this thing be. Now make me will say here we not the judge. We only they bring the news. We not the hard journal. We not the remove. We bring the news. So each person fan base, that is Tony Kabaka fan base, but Obaze fan base and a Boston fan base. So now go see the one we be see they right for this matter or the one we did wrong. So now just take them like that and not go judge them accordingly. No, make not just the bias or make anything no influence on make not just really sit and look on that. But basically for our home here, we will do Dr. Fiame, but we will feel like say as about Obaze and Akobe. About Obaze and Akobe here for how they take unite, can't reconciliate, where they can't Nami with they can't do reconciliation and everything. We for still like make all of them in fact, you know what I mean? Okay, make a just talk and make Tony Kabaka and about Obaze, may they do do reconciliation, like may they be friends again, and then make you know what I mean? Make Dianosage and then about Obaze make them reconcile, may they come be friends again. In fact, basically make all of them just reconcile, even when Ranomi say may they invite and may Ranomi can still do some kind of reconciliation with about Obaze and everything. So may peace and tranquility, harmony and progress. Make it just tranquility, harmony and progress. Make just make it do generally just the peaceful and amongst the people, you know what I mean? And then in the land as well, you get me? So of course in the land it's very peaceful, but these youth them the people them made they just stick may they just really reconcile among themselves and may they take things easy and so that the people will say the people go still be happy to see them, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, politics not politics, reality not reality. I mean, there's life after politics. Just have all of them don't talk. You know what I mean? Tony Kabaka don't talk that something several times, and other people still talking too. You get me? So that one just be so now. So, I mean, as we feel here at Dr. Fiame, but now so we really feel say make all of them may be like that. But who knows? I mean, who knows whether everybody want him like that or whether everybody really want to see me be like that. In any which way, I know say I really talk for you, but I really want to give speak my own piece or speak our piece. We would here the way we really feel. You know me? So now so it be, and if you come out like that, the way we really wish, so we really happy and we will seek the year to carry and come out to take the news to the people. Now so it just be my people, and then right now make we just allow everybody, everybody just go make we watch this video right now as it be, and then may God continue. As soon as they follow us here, they will watch our videos, they extend them, they share them, they like them, they give comments, even constructive criticism. We appreciate them, and everything at all will be something they do for us here, and it's until they God till they bless us through now. You know what I mean? So we just really appreciate all of you now once again. We want to wish you a happy weekend. Now you hear me? That's what it be, and make us take care of ourselves and our family. Now hear me? So now do well, like my people, and may God once again, may God continue to bless each and every one of you now. Now do well, like my bye.
I want to use this video to send message to somebody. Abat, I don't offend you. Abat, any video you do, you mention my name. Have I wronged you in any way? Have I fight you in any way? You are a small boy. My mother last born with you. You are 8 group. Abat, anything you do, you want to use Kabaka name. After politics, there's life. Abat, I beg you. I beg you, Abba, please. After life, after politics, there's life. I want to beg you, Abba, stop mentioning my name and stop using my name anyhow. Abba, I'm 50-something years. You can't fight me physical. Why I keep immune? Because if I block you and fight you, they will say I'm fighting governor follower. What have I done to you? When we were together, I was helping you. You were fighting for me when I was having problems. What just come out? I saw your video again. You were mentioning my name during the crisis of you and Akobe. I don't want it, Abba. I'm not your mate. I'll pay my due. There's no how you can mention whatever you are saying on social media that you will reign more than me in life. That you will do what I've done in life. My message to you, Abba, I beg you, because Abba Teki is my uncle. He will rule and live. Me and you will remain in this Benin. Abba, I beg you, the family of Abba, please, I beg you, use this medium to advise your son over Tony Kabaka issue. And my message again, Ebo, I help you. Ebo, I've not wronged you. Ebo, I remove you from Ogwola to my heart to care for you. From there, I plan how you rent your house. You get married. I was there for you. Ebo, I remember vividly after I support you in your father burial. After your father burial, somebody spray bad money for you. You run afraid. You run mad. They take you to Celestial Church. Ebo, I'm sending this message because of the pain I have today. They take, even though I wronged you in any way, you should remember this. They take you to Celestial Church, Ebo. You run mad. Ebo, I'm saying yes, I'm talking to you. You run mad. I called your wife. I said, Ebo, Madam, where's Ebo? Ebo, my boy. Ebo, the case. I called your wife. I challenged your wife. I went to go and remove you from where they took you to. They took you to Aladura Church in a Rufai. I went to go and remove you, Ebo. Ebo, you Roman. I took care of you. I made sure you become normal human being today. Ebo, what have I done for you? Ebo, anything you do, you swear that you pick, spelling my name all over. Ebo, it pains me. You know why I said that for your issue? Because I know how I contributed to your life. The anger you were having with me, because I didn't empower you, I went to go and empower Shaba. That is not for you to just say I should just die or be doing all nonsense about me, Ebo. Ebo, what you are doing to me, the people have not done it. I don't know what I'm doing. Ebo, you run mad. I spend my money. I made sure, Ebo, I revive you to life again. You were acting as a senior son in your father's family. They now harm you. You run mad. Your wife that you married today is my witness. Ebo, It pains me for you. May God forgive you. I said yes for your issue.
I have nothing against you. When Yamieke, when you form a good man with social media, when Yake, when you form a good man with social media, if anything do me, it will not be funny. It will not be funny. Please, it will not be funny. You need to adjust to the system of Obaseki, which we are all adjusting. When we go the government now. If I see a four, when survey, when go 100 here. I got show money when you already swimming in millions by this time. This government is different. I've tried to work with the way the government they come. If they empower me, fine. They don't empower me, no problem. So please, Tony Kabaka, I've never insulted you. You said, I know your mother's last born. You used to work with late Lawrence. My boy, I will be 40 years next year. So my boy, sir. My boy, so please. If I insult you, and I will not insult you. I keep telling people you have a good heart. But don't let me come out and say the bad side of you. Don't let me come out to say the bad side of you. I have your good records and I have your bad records. I mention your name to let people know what transpired. I don't mention your name to reduce you. I don't mention your name to insult you. Go and check. Go and check. Tony Kabaka. I don't mention your name to reduce you. I mention your name. Maybe if there is something that happened and I want people to confirm the story, I mention your name. Upload the videos. My prayer for you is for you to move forward and don't make the mistake you made before. I saw your video. I listened to your video carefully. You have started insulting APC leaders. The same mistake you made when we were in the same camp. The same mistake of impatient. Isaac baby, you are out now. Saying APC leaders, they have forgotten you. No one is calling you. They don't give you contracts. They don't give you money. You get money from the streets. It is your street people that give you money. That is the same mistake you are making again. And laughing at us, baby. You said when we were together, you were helping me. How? That you dash me wristwatch? That you dash me wristwatch? Say you dash me wristwatch. Which other help? During my wedding, you paid for the live band. 2 months to my wedding, I already paid for everything. How much was the live band? 100,000 naira. I accept things from you not because I want those things, because I don't believe in rejecting a gift. Which help? The time you had issues with Aaron Omigo, you called me. I didn't want to come to you at the first time you called. You had to call FA, Mr. FA, Eyanwa. Mr. Francis was also there. You called them. Mr. FA now called me. Hello. Told me we were married. I don't know if the phone was on speaker. I said, I will call you back. I called him after 2 hours. I said, are you alone? He said, yes. He said, I said, for me, I cannot be defending the governor and at the same time defending Tony Kabaka. I said, I'm not interested in defending him. Whatever they have with that time, Ramigo was always insulting him, insulting Oshomole, insulting the governor, insulting Captain Osa. He said, no, arrest the governor. The next day I came to you. We sat at your swimming pool. We discussed. And I told you I was going to do something, which I did. Until tomorrow, I still have nothing personal against you. You used me to fight Aaron. You used me to fight a lot of people. When you moved, you recruited other people, recruited the likes of Emmanuel Agbogun. But you are shocked that up to date, they still cannot match me. There is no social media influencer, or there is no social media APC influencer that can match me. It's not possible. You are still shocked. Because my style is very, very different. I'm different from the rest of them. Many of them are beggars. They fall cheap for anything. So please, if you want to navigate your way to PDP, please don't use my name. You are making it look as if it is Abatobaze and Ebostone that is fighting you. How? Show a video that recently that Ebostone has mentioned your name. Show a video where I said, Tony or Mekole insult you after the election. Show the video. You want to use me like Abatobaze is the problem. Please, my popularity is giving you serious headache. My acceptance across the globe, Abatobaze is giving you serious headache. So please, you are saying the APC leaders, they abandon you, nobody is asking you about the hotel. Trust me, most of those leaders, they're not even saying you're going to do what you do. I have people in APC that said you contributed to the downfall of Izeyamu. You think Izeyamu is happy with you? All the elections, Izeyamu was just pretending. Among all the notable APC leaders in the state, you only mentioned Adams Oshiomhole. And Adams Oshiomhole is your biggest problem. You don't know. Until you sit down and realize it, you don't know. Don't be in a hurry. Tony Kabaka, don't be in a hurry. All through the time, I was the one that delayed. I was the one that pressurized you. I was the one that was always coming. I was always coming. I almost went on my knees. Don't call press. Don't call people. Don't insult governor. I beg you. You know what I do. You know. So please don't mention my name. Abatobaze, you are saying my family should want me. See, if you have your way, say you catch me one-on-one, say I lose guard myself. I know what you'll do me. Recently, about 5-6 days ago, you had a discussion with some persons now. Tony Kabaka, you had a discussion with some persons. You were telling me Abatobaze has to do you were telling them. Now you are coming to folks say you are weak. You are not weak. You want to make the public feel say you don't want result to be. You are planning me. You are planning me. Why are you making me look as if you are weak? You cannot hurt me. Somebody called me now from after the meeting. I have nothing against you. When Nyamieke, when you form a good man with social media. When Nyamieke, when you form a good man with social media. If anything do me, it will not be funny. It will not be funny. Please, it will not be funny. You need to adjust to the system of Obaseki, which we are all adjusting. When we go the government now. If I may CFO, we survey, we go 100 here. I don't show money where you already swimming in millions by this time. This government is different. I've tried to work with the way the government they come. If they empower me, fine. They don't empower me, no problem. So please, Tony Kabaka, I've never insulted you. You said, I know your mother's last born. You used to work with late Lawrence. I will be 40 years next year. So so please. If I insult you, and I will not insult you. I keep telling people you have a good heart, but don't let me come out and say the bad side of you. Don't let me come out to say the bad side of you. I have your good records and I have your bad records. Please, share. Media this thing now. If you are complaining, go to your APC. If you want to come to PDP, come to PDP. Please don't use me to do anything. People call and say about top say Ebosto. Look at what you are saying about Ebosto. I've called him and said, don't respond, continue to shine, continue, just do your thing. You are trying to make it look like we know what happened. But I don't a petition of Abuja. I know what happened in front of airport. I know what happened. So nobody should come now and say that you are not claiming weak. You are not weak. Just that the system not allow anybody to misbehave. We in PDP cannot misbehave. You guys in APC, you still cannot misbehave. Power has returned now to the people. Apostle cannot go to the church and say this person break his leg, as it used to happen before. Apostle cannot say see this person break his leg, but other show we know what they do. So this system not allow anybody to misbehave. So nobody should use me shine. If you want to shine, you want to do anything, do it legitimately. I beg you, not mention my name with power. The power, I mention anywhere. You know they mention an amigo will put you for because of you. You know what an amigo do me? You know what an amigo put my name for FBI watch list because of you. Is your name not on the same FBI watch list? But after everything, when people get an amigo. You are an amigo going to do 5 or 6. You were doing video call on an amigo's live video.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.